These are the colors that I picked for Small Town Parade. And we got pink, orange, blue, and green. And now I'm going to pour them into the mold. So this is the first pour. It has some really delicate little swirls. I don't know if you can see that here, but yeah, but anyway, that's the first part of the pour, and then I'm going to do the second part with what's left. Okay, so this is the soap. Ta-da! And I'm gonna cut this tomorrow, so I hope it's really pretty. That's what I'm hoping. I'm working on the June Bath Bomb of the Month Club Bath Bombs, and I just finished making the Rosy Bath Bombs. It's a rose scented bath bomb. It's for the, I forget what day it is, but it's like Red Rose Day. I think it's National Red Rose Day, or International. I don't remember, but I'll have to look it up again. But anyway, I'll just show you the bath bombs. I made, it's a light pink color, and then a little bit darker color, and then a white. I was going to do an ombre, but that didn't work out. You really couldn't tell the difference between the pink, so I will just show you what they are. Okay, so here they are. It's a very fresh, light rose scent. It smells really good. And that's what they look like. I think they turned out really nice. So I did the light rose on the bottom, and then the darker rose color on the top, and then it's white in the middle. So that's what they look like. That's one of the bath bombs of the month for June. I'm making Butterball, and this is the cocoa butter that I'm mixing into it. It smells super good too. It smells really buttery and bakery. It's yummy. Okay, so I just finished making Butterball, and it's a bath bomb that has a lot of extra cocoa butter mixed into it. So you saw just previously I had all that cocoa butter mixed into the soap, or not the soap, into the bath bomb mixture. So I mix all that extra cocoa butter in there. It's really moisturizing, and it smells super yummy. It's like a really yummy, buttery, bakery kind of, I wouldn't say it's so sweet, but it's like a really, like a rich sort of scent. It really smells good. So I'm just going to show you what they look like now that they're finished. Just one second. This is Butterball, and you can see the cocoa butter. Yeah. See the cocoa butter mixed in there. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. So those little dark spots, that's the cocoa butter mixed into the mixture. And these are probably going to get a little bit darker because I put a lot of extra vanilla into this scent. I really thought vanilla and butter went together really well, so I mixed in vanilla, and so yeah, they're going to probably turn a little bit brown, but that's the sacrifice you take when you're going to use a vanilla scent. So this is what they look like, and they will be in the June Bath Bomb of the Month Club. Hi guys, it's Sunday afternoon, and we're gonna have some food outside. I'm just gonna show you what we're grilling today. Got chicken, Brussels sprouts, potatoes, and zucchini. So it's Monday evening, and it's time to cut this beautiful soap here, and I'm just going to show you how I cut it. So this one is Small Town Parade, and it's a really sweet, yummy scent. It smells very good. It's like a lot of fruit sweet fruity scent. It smells good. So I'll just show you how I cut the soap. I'm making some plutonium sugar scrub. I divided my batch into 3 separate containers, and then I'm going to color 1 yellow, 1 purple, and then I just keep 1 white. So I will show you what it looks like when I'm done mixing it. Alright, so here it is all mixed together, the 3 colors, white. This isn't showing up very well in the video, but it's like a dark purple. And then yellow, and then I'm going to mix some glitter in. So this is what it looks like when it's packaged, and that's some biodegradable glitter that I put on top. It looks really pretty, and it smells really good. So I am making some kryptonite soap, and this is what it starts out. I don't know, the color isn't turning out very well, but it's green and blue and clear. And then it has little stars and some glitter. They're all biodegradable. So I just kind of build up the colors and they get swirly. Oh, you can kind of see it there. It's green. It's really pretty. So yeah, anyway, that's just what I'm working on. So these are the first 2 orders I'm wrapping tonight. This person ordered Yes Chef, Mr. Perfect, and Summer Loving. So here's Yes Chef, Mr. Perfect, and Summer Lovin'. And then the next order is for Argan Herbal Shampoo Bar, and that's here. I'm just going to tighten up the wrap just a little bit on it. Dinosaur Egg Bath Bomb, and that's what this is. And that's the next 2 orders. Hi, it's Friday night and it was 93 degrees here today, so it's really hot, and I am waiting for my air conditioner to be fixed, so it's like really hot and my dogs are not happy. But I am going to make some cold brew tea so that I can have it tomorrow morning, because it's just too hot to drink regular tea in the morning, and I have to have my tea every morning. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you how I'm making it. I usually make cold brew coffee, so this is the first time making tea, but I'm sure it's the same. A little pitcher that the tea goes into eventually, and then this is the little part where you put the tea leaves or coffee beans, if that's what you're using. And then I can't get it out now. There's a little filter, and then on the other side of the filter is a little plug, so that holds the water in there. And I am just going to put my tea leaves in and then put my water in. And I can't really do that and hold the camera at the same time, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like when I get done putting the water in. Okay, so I mixed the tea leaves and the water together, and it's not leaking, which is a positive thing. I'm just gonna leave it overnight, and then hopefully in the morning it will be a nice cup of tea. I'm not sure how this is gonna work, but I know it works for coffee, so hopefully it will work for tea. But this is the tea I'm using. Safari Pure Tea. Foil wrapped for freshness. Yeah, anyway, I like this tea. It's pretty good. And it leaks all over the counter, so that's great. Anyway, yeah, it's really hot here and I don't feel like doing anything, so we are probably gonna go to bed now. See you in the morning, and hopefully this will be some good tea to drink, because I'm gonna need some tea. Saturday afternoon, I'm going to do some like kind of house projects and I don't know, stuff outside. It's the most gorgeous day. It rained really hard last night and we got a lot of rain, so it's really wet outside, but the sun's out, it's really gorgeous, and I'm just gonna spend some time outside. Just look at how nice it is outside. Okay, the lawn needs to be mowed, but it's still really nice. Here's Dolly. Hi, baby. Is it too hot? Too hot? Ah, so nice. And this is my backyard. I'm working on putting a fence up, so that's what's over there. So that's what I'm going to work on today, is digging holes for the fence. And then I'm having for lunch, it's a Korean soup that my mom made for me, and it has chicken and carrots, sesame seeds. I don't really know everything that's in it, but it looks really good and I can't wait to try it. So yeah, this is what my mom made me for lunch and sent yesterday over to me. So thanks, Mom. This smart little doggy. He's in the shade. Oh, never mind, he's going into the sun again. New flowers that my mom gave me. She's always giving me things. These are my favorite flower stalks, and they are outside. So kind of through the glass is weird, but they're right next to my pansies. Saturday afternoon, and I got a lot of things done today. I mowed the lawn, and I dug a whole bunch of holes for the fence that we're putting in, and I'm just going to show you how far we've gotten along with that. And so here is the first fence panel, and that's where the gate will be, and then the next fence panel. And I dug all these holes by myself. So yeah, I dug a lot of holes today, and they just keep going. So anyway, that's what I did today. It took all day.